So this is the latest news coming in. In fact, we're receiving information that the French Interior Minister has headed to the scene of the fresh police shooting that has taken place on the outskirts of Paris, and this obviously an indication that perhaps there is a link between this fresh shooting and the attack that was seen on the office of Charlie Hebdo yesterday in the heart of Paris. The fresh incident coming this morning, and there are reports that one policeman has been seriously injured, and some reports suggest the attackers have managed to escape in the metro. Now, France is on the highest alert as several people have been already detained who knew the two men who have been suspected in this shooting case. Two brothers whose photographs have been flashed by the Paris police. So this fresh incident taking place, and now the French Interior Minister has left to head to the scene of this fresh shooting. So clearly that indicates it's being taken very, very seriously, though at this point we do not know what the connection is, if any. Currently, the French police engaged in a massive manhunt for two brothers, Cherif Kouachi and Saïd Kouachi, the warning that was given by the French police to the public that both these men are potentially armed and dangerous. And several people have been detained. That is what the French Prime Minister had said, according to reports, that several people known to these, who knew these two men, have already been detained for questioning. Another 18-year-old has surrendered to the police, and the police currently on the lookout for the two suspects, as news of this fresh incident has emerged, in which another policeman is said to have been injured, and some reports suggest that the attackers managed to escape in the metro. The French Interior Minister is now headed to the spot. That gives you an indication of how seriously this entire matter is being taken. This is one of the worst terror attacks on French soil. 12 people were killed in the shootout yesterday in the office of a satirical magazine, Charlie Hebdo. And as we said, at this point, we're not clear of any link, though it is being taken very, very seriously. This fresh attack that is being reported, with the French Interior Minister leaving to head to the scene of this new police shooting that has taken place on the outskirts of Paris.